Hi, I'm Craig with Datavideo. It's 2018 NAB Show again, and we're here on the last day in Las Vegas. And I'd like to give you a quick tour of our booth. We've had a lot of excitement of our new products, and I want to give you a little tour of what's going on here. Datavideo is known for their live video production solutions, complete solutions, and we showed a lot of different applications here. For example, we have some tables here for live events. Right over here we have several switchers and controllers. We have the worship table. That's one of our fastest growing markets right now. It's the worship market. It's easy to use equipment that the worship market loves. The broadcast table. These are more of our more professional CGs, switchers, bigger switchers that we have. Over here we have the TVS-2000, which is a virtual studio solution that we have for tracking and trackless. And we'll go in a little more detail about that as well. One of our newer tables is the new portable studio solution. So we have HS products for these little cases here that can close up and open up for live production. And we also have some Go Studio kits. We have the 650 Studio and the Go 500 Studio. Both can be put into a hard case that's included with this bundle. So you have switching, recording, streaming, even a built-in audio mixer, all in one with 2 monitors. Really an easy solution for a live production. The HS-1300 has been a really popular product here at the show. It's right here. And the reason why, it's so complete. I mean, basically it's like the HS-1200. It's a 6-input switcher. It's portable, obviously. It's got the handle right here. And I can open it up and start my show. The new part of the HS-1300 is the stream feature right here. I can actually stream straight from the box. And I can also record. There's a record button I can push, and it records right onto a SD drive right here. And I can just slide in that card and start my record, start my stream, start my show, all in the HS-1300. We have this new camera corral. We're becoming a camera company, to be honest with you. So we have many new lines of cameras, starting with our PTC-150, our PTC-200. This one's the PTC-200, which is a 4K camera. And if you look up there, you can see the optics are awesome. Let me move the camera around so you can see that. This is the new block cameras that we have. It's the BC-50, which is a 20x camera, and the BC-80, which is a 30x camera that can be matched up well with our PTC-150. All these can be controlled, or at least all our pan-tilt zoom cameras can be controlled with the RMC-180, which is right here. One of the hot products here at the show is this new camera, the NH-100. The nickname we gave it was NightHawk. One of the reasons why we did that is this is a really low-lux camera. It allows you to take incredible optics without any light at all, really, hardly any light. What we did is at the booth, we put this 5-foot box, deep box, with no lights inside. We put some props back there, and you can see from the images, it's incredible. A lot of buzz on there. There's a lot of cinematic people want to do this in theaters, worship. There's a lot of applications for this camera. Another one of our new switchers here at the show is the SE3200. It's an 8-input SDI, 4 HDMI, total of 12-input switcher. A lot of new features. The best one is a 1080-60p. It's great progressive output that you can stream, and for iMag, a lot of applications for this switcher. One of the features I like about it is it's got 4 keyers. You can actually have 4 PIPs on the screen here. You can see them, add them on here, and you can configure them any way you want. It also has the ability to bring in different signals, different resolutions, and still output 1080p 60. This is the new TVS-2000. It's a virtual studio system from Datavideo. What's great about it, it does tracking and trackless. So it takes 2 camera inputs. One of the cameras we have is a trackless camera that we have here that's stationary. And if I'll just try push this button here to show you, this is our virtual set. It's pulling out. The camera is stationary, it's not moving. And it also allows me to do a take here. And that's from our pan-tilt zoom camera. And I have a little joystick on our control surface that I can actually move the camera around. And basically the whole set moves with it, so it makes it look more realistic. The TVS-2000 is a very affordable solution for virtual studios. Tracking and trackless, not anything like that on the market in this price point. And there you have it. Datavideo is all finished with NAB 2018, and we had a great show. Great time here, lots of interest in our new products. Don't forget to visit our website at Datavideo.com. You can read up on all about our new products as well. And you can also stay tuned and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we'll be rolling out a lot of new videos on our products as well. Thanks for watching.